I have Bingo over. My sweet Bingo. I love him so much. Hi, Alice. Hi, baby. I love you too, honey. You guys. Okay, go away. I invited Murph and Bingo over today to have a dog party because Alice, she needed to have a play date. How about babe? Oh, babe. You needed your friends to come over and play with you, huh? Because you've been kind of sad lately. Yeah, poor Alice. And Bingo just wants to snuggle with me all day. I love him so much. He's so good to my girl. Thanks for coming over today, Bingo. You're such a sweet boy. Yes, you are, honey. Let's go outside and play, guys. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Ugh. Come on, guys. Let's go outside.